I just got this package from a pickup point and there should be some headphones inside. So let's see. Cut it open. It's from a very nice little store. It's not in my city, it's in the capital, but they deliver almost overnight. PC Garage, the garage where PCs live. And yeah, I got a voucher for referring some clients there, and yeah, this is what I bought. Some headphones. Ugh, why is it so hard to cut duct tape? Come on. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Warranty. Why do they print that out still? 2023. And here's a huge, oh boy, huge box. What? Game note, create for game. Game note. Okay, I don't get it. Let's see. Maybe it's explained somewhere. Oh, esports headphone. The appearance is appearance. Is that how it's spelled? Is cool, simple, and generous. Generous. Yeah, that's a Chinese translation. I mean, translated from Chinese. Okay, so it does say some specs here. Let's see. I picked this one because of the big drivers, 5 centimeters across. The others were 4 and 21 ohm. Shouldn't that be 32? Oh well, 109 decibels, 20 to 20,000 kilohertz. It has a microphone, a pretty long cable. Oh, and it has a 3.5 millimeter jack and USB. But I read that the USB is only for the RGB, so we'll see. And yeah, that's all it says in different languages. Here's probably a product link with this QR code or the manual. So yeah, this is the model Havit. That's the brand. It's not shown anywhere on the box. I don't know why. But this is Havit's scratch mark. And this is the model. I have a mouse from this brand and I was quite satisfied with that. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's more duct tape on both sides. Oh boy. Let's get it out. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. So that's what I figured. It has 2 jacks and a USB plug for the microphone probably, and audio, and yeah. Whoa, these are big. Whoa. These are huge. I mean, look at this. It's more than 10 centimeters. I don't know how much is that in inches. 4. Whoa, and it's soft. Man, this is awesome. This looks awesome. Yeah, volume control, microphone that I probably won't be using because I have a better one. Man, this is nice. It's wrapped in some sort of plastic, flexible plastic. Man, they took out the best features of a headphone and put it in a cheap package. $10 only. I mean 12. I think it was 12. And it can be bigger. soft something on the top. Yep, that's important for my bald head. So yeah, let's turn on the RGB. That's all I can do. Maybe I'll do some tests later for the... Let's see. I'm curious. Okay, that's all it can do. You turn on the RGB and it circles around, goes around, or it's just random. It doesn't have a controller for the... If I turn the volume, same thing. Oh well. They said in a review that it's kind of dumb. So yeah. Well, I hope the sound is fine. I'll let you know in the description.